In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook password. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to go over to Facebook. Once you're on Facebook, what you want to do now is that you want to click on these three lines right over here. Once you do that, scroll over to your settings option. Once you click on your settings, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on this option right over here that says Account Center. Once you do that, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on the Password and Security option. Once you do that, click on the Change Password option. Then click on the account you'd like to change the password on. Then what you want to do now is that you want to insert your current password. So once you have inserted your current password, what you want to do now is that you want to insert your new password. So then retype your new password once again. So once you're done doing that, you can easily change the password by clicking on Change Password. It's going to send a code to your email address. So if I go to my Gmail, I will see that the email has been sent. And this is my code right over here. So I'm going to copy the code and go back to Facebook. And I'm going to paste the code right over here into this box and then click on the Continue option. So then I can easily change the password again by clicking on the Change Password option. And as you can see, I have changed my Facebook password. So that's how you can easily change your Facebook password on Facebook. So without wasting much of your time, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.